Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be showcasing you how to unlock your iPhone that is stuck in a voiceover mode and also disable voiceover mode on that iPhone. Now, for this tutorial, I am using the iPhone 17 Pro Max running with the latest iOS 26. But this method will pretty much be working on any other iPhone. So try again. As you can hear, I'm stuck in a voiceover mode. And of course, the easiest way to do this should be the Face ID. But sometimes Face ID does not work. What you need to do is swipe up and hold a third way up the screen. Just swipe like this and hold it and then release. And that's going to prompt you to unlock your iPhone. Now, what you need to do is, since you already know your passcode, select the digit you want to press once and then double press to actually press it. Okay, so tap on it once to select and then double tap to actually press it. So for instance, my passcode is 4321. So to press the 4, select and then double tap, and that's going to enter 4. And then do the same for the 3, select, then double tap, and then select and double tap, select, double tap for the other ones, and that's where you can enter your passcode. Okay, now your phone is unlocked and we are still in the voiceover mode even though we have muted this pitch. So there are two ways you can actually disable the voiceover mode. Now the first method is a lengthy one, and in this method you need to open up your settings. Now to open up the settings, you just need to tap once and then double tap on it to open up the settings, and then in here select any one of the menu and then with your 3 fingers scroll down towards the accessibility. Tap on it once and then double tap it to open it up. And then you should see a voice over there. Tap on it once and double tap on it to select. And then you shall see the toggle button for voiceover. So to turn off the voiceover, just double press on the toggle button and now the voiceover is turned off. And we are back to the normal mode in the iPhone. Now, of course, another way of doing this is using Siri. So depending upon whether you have activated Siri or not is crucial. If you activated the Siri, hey Siri, disable the voiceover. And as you can see, the voiceover is disabled. You can do that from anywhere on the screen as long as your iPhone is unlocked. So guys, basically these are the two simplest methods through which you can turn off the voiceover on your iPhones. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.